back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today I'm coming to you guys with my biggest theory here of the year, and one of the most bold theories. I believe that I'm going to try to predict how the next bull run happens. Now, I'm not a big fan of the term bear market or bull market, but I'm going to try to predict when the next big pump comes along, whether it's next year, the year after that, in a week, or in 3 years from now. I've got a theory, and that theory is Elon Musk will be the catalyst for the next bull market. Elon Musk will be the catalyst for the next pump. I do believe that. I do believe that that is a strong possibility. We've seen a lot of moves from him as of late. And let's think about it, guys. So, Elon Musk is currently the richest person in the world. We're going to circle back to that later. He just bought the biggest social media, most instantaneous form of news, really, social media platform in the world, Twitter, for $44 billion. Unbelievably huge deal. He is making moves. Now, pull us back to the days of Dogecoin. Elon Musk led the way and backed Dogecoin and wanted to put Dogecoin on the moon, went on SNL and pumped. That's when Dogecoin crashed, actually. But he has been saying that it's the people's currency, that it's awesome, that he's even said in some capacity that it was better than Bitcoin at some points, which was very controversial. He's had a lot of hate. He's had a lot of celebration in crypto communities. Overall, I think he's been beneficial. When Tesla bought Bitcoin, that was huge news. When they accepted Bitcoin for Teslas, that was huge news. When they retracted accepting Bitcoin for Teslas, that was big bad news also. And they came back to then accept it again, or they were proposing to accept it again. There's been a lot of times where he has moved the markets based on a tweet, based on a theory, based on a move that he made with his companies, whether it is Tesla, a personal investment of his own, or his acquisition of Twitter. Well, what does Twitter have to do and Elon Musk have to do with crypto? Well, it has to do a lot, because when you think about Dogecoin, he is Father Doge, essentially, right? Like Father Time, Father Doge, right? This is Elon Musk. This is what a lot of people refer to him. And when you look at crypto, when you look at CoinMarketCap, look at this right here, crypto news. His name is all over the place. And what do you see here? You see Dogecoin and you see Shiba Inu right here in this photo. Well, why do people lump Dogecoin and Shiba Inu together? Well, here's why, guys. Elon Musk is one of the catalysts for helping drive Dogecoin to the prices that it got to. That was a huge community. It went viral. Similar to Wall Street Bets, which became really huge for the GameStonks, play, Tendies and all this, and Diamond Handers. He was the champion for Dogecoin. Well, Dogecoin got old, right? And it was a top 10 project, got old, right? And it stopped pumping as much because it was really hard to pump at that point. So then Shiba Inu came along. And then he was posting pictures of a Shiba Inu dog, and then people started going after Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu started to pump. So really, I credit Elon Musk not only to the success of Dogecoin in some capacity, but also in some capacity to the pumping of Shiba Inu, and also to the pumping of Bitcoin as he bought Bitcoin and it flared up crypto back in the most recent expansion of crypto into the most recent run upward that it had, that really big parabolic one. We went from like 20,000 all the way to like 69,000, right? He has been a catalyst, guys. So my argument is that he will be the guy to create the next bull market. Well, what is my reasoning for that? Well, I just laid out a few reasons for you. On top of it, there's Dogelon, Mars. Think about all the coins that have his name in it. Twitter, guys. If he takes Twitter and he integrates cryptocurrency into Twitter, that is going to be huge for crypto. Really big. That will drive adoption. That'll cause even more people that don't have any to buy some. It'll cause the people that have a little bit to buy a little bit more. It'll cause the people that have a lot to probably continue to buy. and it'll cause institutional investors, the guys with the buku bucks, the money, the buku bucks that we need to move these markets the way that we want to get the pumps that we want. This is what'll make it all possible. If he can integrate crypto into Twitter, it will be huge. Now, while Crypto Kip, yeah, but why would he? I mean, yeah, he likes Doge, but Crypto Kip, why would he do that? Well, how about this? Binance is backing Elon Musk's Twitter bid, boosting crypto believers' vision of a decentralized web. Binance is one of the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, having a token in the top 10. Absolutely massive. It is the world's largest crypto exchange and handling billions of dollars in trading volumes in a daily basis. Now, after he took over Twitter with a $44 billion bid, there's a lot of questions about how he's going to get the money. Well, he sold some Twitter stock, which was controversial, but how else is he going to get the rest of this money? Well, he's going to get it through funding. And how's he going to get it? Binance plans to invest $500 million in equity funding as a part of the $7 billion financing pledge to support the Tesla CEO's bid to buy Twitter. So they're actually going to help him back. Well, why would Binance want to do that? Maybe because they believe that he's crypto friendly. Maybe because they believe, or maybe they know something we don't know, and that Elon Musk has plans to integrate cryptocurrency and Twitter. And I know he's made comments about it in the past in terms of being able to like tip people and things of the sort on Twitter. Who knows what coins you'll be able to do that with? Maybe you'll be able to do it with a variety of coins. Maybe Binance will have some sort of feature that ties into Twitter. Right? These are all the things that get my wheels spinning on what could come next. Guys, this is huge, huge news. Binance is backing Elon Musk's Twitter bid, boosting crypto believers' vision of a decentralized web. This is what we're looking for. We're trying to get more towards Web3. We want a decentralized web where you can't be censored and where the internet's free. Now, free speech is important, but we also don't want reckless speech. That's a fact, guys. Now, I'm not going to get political on that, but you hear where I'm coming from on that. And this is the idea. And crypto is basically very similar in a way to Elon Musk's thinking about freeing up Twitter from the algorithm, right? You want a decentralized, open source protocol where you can actually have visibility on what's happening. There's white paper, you know exactly what's going on in the background. Twitter won't share their algorithm with people, and for a reason. And they're shredding documents because there's manipulation going on in terms of what they put out there and what they don't. And there's reasons for that. But Binance is a crypto company, and yeah, they are a centralized entity. They are a centralized exchange, so there's concerns about that in the crypto community, and I totally understand that, and that's justified. But they also do have a DeFi space as well, which is very important to note. And they are a believer in this, and I do believe that. And I think that this partnership is big, and it could really give Zhao, who is the head of Binance, to kind of give some influence and some help into Elon Musk if he wants to start integrating crypto and Twitter. Guys, this is huge. This is really, really big, huge. Bitcoin and other digital currencies aren't controlled by any single entity, a setup that proponents say makes them censorship resistant. This is what it's all about. Though backed by Twitter, Blue Sky, so Blue Sky is a Twitter that Jack Dorsey wanted to found, where he wanted to create a competitor to Twitter, and he wanted an independent company. But you know what? I mean, now Blue Sky is still a thing, but he is backing Elon Musk's bid for Twitter, and he's excited about it because it's, you know, it's a problem. And in principle, he said, in principle, I don't believe anyone should own or run Twitter. Dorsey said in a recent tweet, it wants to be a public good at protocol level, not a company. So this is all important. This is a big story. Here's another piece. Elon Musk secures funding not only from Binance, but Sequoia and Fidelity to buy Twitter. Well, I'm going to focus in on Fidelity here because Fidelity, we just came out with news. Check out our short. Fidelity is going to start integrating Bitcoin into the 401ks, guys. This is huge as well. So again, another crypto-friendly company. Look at that smile. I love this guy. He is really entertaining to listen to. He is controversial. So, and I am skeptical, right? I'm not just going to blindly trust anybody, but he is funny. I'll give him that. And I do like free speech. Let's see what that paints out to be, right? It doesn't matter. It's not about one party or the other party. It's just about the right thing for society and eliminating censorship, no matter what your beliefs are, right? So, guys, and to a point, right? Don't yell fire in a movie theater. So, But Fidelity to back this as well with some funding is absolutely huge. So you can see a couple of the equity investors here. Binance, you can see some capital management, right? You can see even Fidelity. They're up there with a pretty big bid. Key wealth investors. And I'm going to go out, and I don't know all these, but a lot of these guys are going to be crypto-friendly companies. And why? Because Father Doge is making moves towards Web3 and Twitter, and he may integrate in cryptocurrency into the Twitter space. Guys, this is my theory. I do believe that it's possible. Elon Musk's Twitter profile picture changed briefly since token of Bored Ape NFT project soaring. He changed his profile picture to a Bored Ape, and the price of Bored Apes went pumping. Again, another price action that came on Elon Musk making a maneuver. Guys, just the other day, Warren Buffett came out and said that Bitcoin is evil and stupid and evil, and Elon Musk mocked him. And there's a couple memes that Elon Musk has put out recently where he's testing the status quo, essentially. And guys, Warren Buffett has been traditionally a very, very successful investor, but he's an old man. He's got hearing aids. Him and Charlie Munger got glasses as thick as, ever. They're old fellas. I'm not going to say they're bad people, but look, I just think they're out of touch. I think that, they couldn't explain thoroughly what Bitcoin is. They probably can't really wrap their mind fully around Web3. And even if they could, I don't think they believe in it because they're stuck on kind of the old way of the world, right? The old world order is moving on down. Warren Buffett is even in the top 5 richest people in the world anymore. And that happened pretty quick. You just got some guy in India just surpassed Warren Buffett. Elon Musk is the richest person in the world. So, guys, my case here is that Elon Musk is the richest person in the world. He moved the Bored Ape Yacht Clubs. He's got Fidelity, Sequoia, and Binance. They are making moves, guys, and you see it right here with a $500 million equity funding toward Elon Musk's $44 billion bid. And when you look at CoinMarketCap, he is all over the place, whether he's on a coin or on some articles daily. It's nonstop. Now, I don't know what the news is going to be, but my prediction is that when Elon Musk makes another big move towards crypto, it is going to make the markets move. Now, could he make a bad move towards crypto? Could it dump the markets? Certainly. It could certainly happen. Is it more likely that he's a pro-crypto guy and going to move the markets upward? I definitely think that that is much more likely outcome. And I'm going to say that the next huge bull run is going to be a catalyst of Elon Musk making a move, guys. I think it's going to be Elon Musk making a move, and it's going to get these markets soaring. Let me know what you guys think in the chat down below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. I am Crypto Kip, and this is the Crypto Report. And remember, guys, you gotta, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.